What's going on, guys? We're back again. Got all the lights installed on the grill. 6 of them. I already had this one and that one, so I installed the other 6. Looks pretty good. I made a huge mess, and I messed up here. I should have left that bar on it, and I took it off. See, I should have left it like that. It looks a little cleaner. But now I have to wire them up. So what I was saying earlier is that these two and these two would flash at the same time. The same pattern. These two, and then these two would flash at the same time, and then that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is wire them up, put it back on, and give it a test. It's still kind of late already. It's 5:04, but I'm still gonna put it back together and give it a shot. Let's do it. Alright, guys, welcome back again. Here is the grill, everything mounted up on the truck pretty good. It is, I'm not sure if you can notice. Yeah, you can probably see these are, I'm not sure if that's just because they're older and all these are brand new, but I noticed from the get-go that these were not as bright as what I thought, but the rest of them are pretty bright. You can notice them a little bit whenever they're on, but everything's on. The grill's on, this cover's on. I ended up putting 2 new clips. I had bought a box of clips because all these clips were messed up. I didn't really record the whole process, but pretty much I have to tilt the wheel down, put the shifter all the way down, and pull. You could actually just yank on the front face of this carefully, and this whole face comes out, and there's 2 bolts on the bottom of this piece that comes out, and that's how I routed the wires. Routed them through the firewall in, and then connected one to a fuse, connected the other one to just a ground on the body, on the chassis, and that was it. Yeah, the adequate thing would be to have a fuse at least in between the power and whatever power source you connect it to, but that's fine. So now I have it set. See, the good thing about this is it indicates with the red and blue what it's doing right now. So that's both of them at the same time. That's just that pattern. That's like that, and then you get the strobes. So we get them full time on, and that's what they look like. They're not bad. Then you get intermittent like this. Then you get like a 3 burst. 1, 2, 3. So this is the look I was telling you about. LED lights, and then the fog lights are all. That just doesn't go. Not a good look. So we're about to change that. So this is a brand, JDMA Star Global Supplier for automotive LED lighting, and these are the bulbs. They come in this nice little package, Ziploc. So I don't know much about these brands or anything, but I've seen other people use them, and so decided to try them. Let me take one of them out of here to show you. So I'm guessing, yeah, it's made out of metal, obviously. And it's got 2 on each side, and it also has 2 with like a magnifying lens, looks like, on the end there. So and it's a direct swap out. Just take the old one out and the new one in. So let's get to it. So since these are good, I actually have a collection of bulbs that I just keep because they are good, and you never know, some of them could go bad and you just have extra ones. So I'll take this off and then put the new one in, and that's pretty much it. The new one installed. Let's plug it back in. Turn it, and you're set. Repeat on the other side. That's a lot better. Now it actually goes with each other. LED in top, LED in the bottom. So these fog lights right here have like this cover in the front of the bulb. I'm thinking about taking it off because it just doesn't, I don't know, to me it doesn't look as bright as it could, because like I said, it has that it has like a bulb right in front with like a magnifying little lens or whatever. And so, but here there's a little plastic piece that's actually covering it. So not sure yet. Let's see how it looks at night, and then I'll decide whether I need to take it off or not. So, but for now, that's it. Mission accomplished. Let's see how it looks with everything on it. So now you guys got to see. Well, let me see if I can turn these. This has to be fixed too. This is another thing that needs to be addressed. See, everything else is LED. Doors are LED. Roof lights, all of them. These, the yellow, regular, incandescent, or whatever you want to call it. So that has to be addressed, and it's going to be addressed. I guess I should leave them on. But you guys got to see the new lights. I didn't really film the process. It was, yeah. I guess depending on how you guys like the video, just leave me a comment. See if you'd rather me film the whole process of me doing the whole thing, the whole thing, doing the wiring, separating the wiring, soldering, connecting, running the wires, you know, everything, the whole process of whatever it takes to do this kind of stuff. If you'd like to see more of that, then let me know. Just drop a comment below, and yeah, I'll more than gladly I'll go through it step by step and show you guys what to do. A lot of people don't know. A lot of people are new out there. They're young, or just don't know. You don't have to be young. You probably never done it before and want to know what it takes to do it. So yeah, there'll be plenty of this stuff, you know, just installing new stuff, and believe me, I mean, I know quite a bit. I've been doing it my whole life, but I'm gonna surprise myself with some new challenges, and I want you guys to be right there with me. That way, we both learn. All of us learn at the same time. So yeah, you know, it's just the way it is. But I'm probably gonna head out to the car meet here in a little bit. Not sure yet. But yeah, to see, it's pretty clear right now. It's kind of uglier earlier on. I mean, yeah, I actually got the truck started finally, everything's functioning well, so that's good. About to eat something and then go to the car meet. Not sure if I'm gonna record anything, so if I don't, sorry about that, but it's probably not even worth it if I don't. If I do, then you'll be able to see what I recorded. Probably some cool stuff if I do record anything. But anyway, I'm gonna stop it here. If you do see something, it'll be after this. If you don't, then I'm gonna say goodbye. Even though, yeah, if I record something, it's just gonna be the car meet and that's it. I'm not really gonna be talking or interviewing people or anything like that, asking people questions. I'm probably just gonna be recording, like just recording the cars passing by, or something like that. So that's it. So I'll probably say bye now, and that's it. So yeah, as always, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell if you haven't, so you can see more videos. I'll try to get them out a little bit more constantly. You know what I'm saying? I'll try to get more out a week than I have been doing, because I've been busy. But anyway, like I said, I appreciate your support. Subscribe, notification button, and I think that's it. I'll see you guys later. God bless.